So, dear student, first understand what is stack. Stack is a LIFO structure. We understand what is stack. Stack is a LIFO structure. Last in, first out. Now, stack is like a stack of plates. If we if we put one plate above another, the last plate we put on the top. So, top is the first plate we remove. So, think about one above another. So, last in, first out. So, that is called as last in, first out. So suppose we inserted 10, then 20, then 30. So here 30 was inserted last. So 30 will be removed first. Last in, first out. Now understand C++ program. In my previous lecture I explained stack. Include IOStream now. Include IOStream is used for input and output. Then using namespace standard. Now int stack of in square bracket 5 I have written. This create an array called as stack. So stack of 5 means it can store maximum 5 element. So how it start? It start from int top equal to -1. What is -1? It tells us that position of the top element. Top equal to -1 means stack is empty. Now we create push function. So void push and we are passing one value integer int value. Then in bracket top plus plus. To understand the code, stack of top equal to value. So suppose I am using push in bracket 10. So what top plus plus will do? It changes top from -1 to 0 now and at 0th location now. That means stack of 0 equal to 10. So 10 is stored. Next, suppose if I write push 20, the top becomes 1 and 20 is stored. Next, suppose I write push 30. Now 30 is stored. This operation of adding an element is called as push operation. Then understand pop operation. So first we'll write void pop. Opening brace top minus minus. Pop actually remove the top element. If top is pointing to 30, after top minus minus, it moves to 20. So 30 is removed from the stack. After pop, what are the elements are remaining? 10 and 20. Finally, we'll be having display function. It will print all element from the top to bottom. So push basically add element, pop for remove element, top for last inserted element. So in general, we can say that stack is last in, first out. Thank you.